Hello friends, welcome back to our video. In this video we are going to learn about different kinds of animals. Let's get started. Alligator, alligator, alligator. Bear, 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 bear. Camel, 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 camel. Dolphin, 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 dolphin. Elephant, 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 elephant. Flamingo, 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 flamingo. Gorilla, 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 gorilla. Hippo, 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 hippo. Iguana, 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 iguana. Jellyfish, jellyfish, jellyfish. Kangaroo, 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 kangaroo. Lion, 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 lion. Monkey, 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 monkey. Newt, 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 newt. Owl, 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 owl. Penguin, penguin, penguin. Quail, 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 quail. Rhino, 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 rhino. Snake, 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 snake. Tiger, 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 tiger. Urchin, 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 urchin. Vulture, 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 vulture. Whale, 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 whale. X-ray fish, x-ray fish, x-ray fish. Yak, 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 yak. Zebra, 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 zebra. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content like this.